What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. All right, let's get out. Double lot, that's why. That's pretty cool, huh? I like that freaking flats boat over there, to be honest with you. It's nice. Oh, that's fine. Oops. It's because I don't ever use these things. Nope.
Unfortunately, I'm not available to take your call at this time. If you could, please give me your name, telephone number, and the address of the property in which you are inquiring about, and I'll get back to you just as quickly as possible. Have a wonderful day.
Hey Jason, this is Zach with J&Z Dumpster Solutions. Just giving you a call. The dumpster is delivered. I shut the gate and you're set to go. Alrighty? You have a wonderful day. All right. Hopefully that stays. All right, we're coming up to last dumpster drop off of the day, HOA community, and got to go through the HOA clubhouse visitor area, wherever it is. Show ID. All right. How you doing, sir? I'm going to. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. All right. Love the HOA communities. They make driving a trailer in here impossible. Looks good. Feels safe. But I don't like that HOA fee a month. This place ain't for me. I'll drop off here every day. But so we're dropping off a 20 yard, unfortunately. They did rent a 15-yard dump trailer, but the person that's renting that specifically extended a day. So now I'm dropping off the 20 yard instead. Pretty much giving them a 20 yard instead of a 15 for the same price. Am I annoyed? No, not really, because I already had this 20 yard and I had the roll-off trailer on my truck already, and I didn't feel like taking it off, so It's kind of like a win-win for the customer, you know, and a win for me. So they think they're getting, you know, a better deal because we're throwing in a 20-yard for a 15-yard price. So unfortunately, I'm down to you know, one dump trailer, 15-yard, and it's usually always booked out to these HOA communities. All right, so let's turn in here. It's a nice tight fit, and make sure we don't go on no grass. Sweet, it's right here. Oh, thank God I brought. So another thing is I got the Max D trailer because they don't even have sidewalks, but here you can't block sidewalks in this community. And I also did that because these driveways are so short. They're literally for a compact car. A mid-sized compact car can fit in these driveways, and that's pretty much it. So let's we're gonna down this Max D a little bit because it's on a PJ trailer and it kind of gets stuck every now and then. We're gonna get some wood out. We're gonna put the wood down, make sure it doesn't roll on the concrete. You know, I'm sure some of you guys know these HOA communities. They can be a headache sometimes, and I just don't want. I don't want to deal with anything like that. So it's easier for me to be super cautious and put down wood and make sure I'm okay and take my time delivering this dumpster than it is to deal with HOA. Alright, so let's back this up and call it a day. Let's wait for this Amazon truck to come by. I'm definitely probably gonna end up blocking this whole road. Nope, he's turning. Okay. Don't get mad when I block the sidewalk. We're actually gonna put this in the middle of the driveway. Usually I try to pick one side, but since these driveways are so small, I kind of need to be in the middle of the driveway so when they open the doors, it can kind of open inside the garage when they open the garage. So that's pretty much how I get away with these big dumpsters here. If they weren't able to open a garage and utilize the garage to open these dumpster doors, I wouldn't be able to drop these. That's why I picked the double door Max D trailer too. Because my Evolution dumpsters, they're a single door, so they're a little harder to deal with in these areas. All right, that's gonna be good. Scoot this over a little bit. And that's what I'm talking about. What a Karen down there. She got so impatient that she couldn't wait and she got out and started walking. All right, so that's delivering a 20-yard dumpster and with a Karen that's very impatient. I'm surprised she didn't say something to me. They usually do. They'll usually yell at you. I was curious. For a second, I thought maybe she was walking, exercising, but then when I realized that she has a purse with her and she's kind of walking fast with little sandals on. I was like, she just got out of that car and started walking because she's too impatient to wait a minute. And I blocked the road for literally maybe 3 minutes, not even. As long as, probably as the amount of time that you would wait at a stoplight. That's crazy. If, I don't know, I'm just saying, if I was that miserable, and that, I can get impatient, but I know somebody is doing a job and they're not gonna tie up the road that much. But if that was me and I was that miserable, that's just crazy. All right, so we're back here again. We're gonna pick up these pieces of wood and stuff like that, take a few pictures, and call it a day. So all right, so that's the last of them. We're pretty much done for the day, and we'll see you guys next time. Like, subscribe, comment. Adios. Go look at this thing. Not too bad. I hope. He dug up a lot of stuff here. And this is why, because see all those cinder blocks and stuff, I don't have the capacity to be picking that stuff up. Only Peterson, Maxco, those guys. Maxco, he's got a bigger trailer now, but he could definitely do it. All right, looks like he did a good job. It looks like just a bunch of junk, really. So we're gonna tarp this, pick it up, and haul it away. It's nice and wet. Love it. Ah, that smells, dude. Woo, thank God. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a little heavy. Put some new wheels and tires on the, actually these are just the old tires that were right here, and then I had some tires laying around that were decent, and I put some new rims on them, and we called it a day. We're old. Woo! Oh yeah. That winch is on its last leg. You see all these beefed up wires? I had to replace them all because they're all going bad. I think this wire is getting kind of toast. The one that actually goes to the battery itself. Yeah, I think it's done. But it's not that, I mean, it's heavy, but it's not crazy heavy. So it's definitely gonna be a lot of money at the dump. At Pasco County, they charge outrageous. All right, we'll see you guys at the landfill. All right, up here at the landfill. Man, it is a foggy day today. Moment of truth. Oh, it's just water. Just water. This is Hudson Yard at its finest.
The Hudson Yard?
Yeah. Right here, probably. Oh, right there.